thought I would show you the end result. I didn't video me putting the ear wires on and all that kind of stuff. The solution that I put the metal in turns the edging that I sanded black, so it gives it this nice outline. For this particular pair, I left the backs just the way that they are, but with some of these other ones that are from the same tin, I use alcohol ink on the back, and then everything gets a clear coat sealant. So these got a really light coat of sealant, and so did these. And these obviously are not finished. I'm going to work on that right now. But these are the ones that you saw. They're ready to go. And I think they turned out beautiful. Hope you liked the video. Bye.